Alright guys, so let's start geometry by looking at angles. And the way I would start is that I would say to you that an angle is formed when two straight lines meet at a point. Simply, anytime two straight lines meet, an angle is formed. So here's an example of an angle. And in this diagram, the line AB meets the line BC. The line AB meets the line, so AB meets the line what? BC. So whenever two straight lines meet, they form an angle. Where the two straight lines meet, the point where the two straight lines meet is called the vertex. So this is the what? This is angle ABC, and B is the vertex. What is the vertex? The vertex is where the two straight lines meet. Now, this angle may be referred to as angle ABC. So in essence, to reference an angle, sometimes what we do is that we use three letters. To reference an angle, sometimes we use three letters. Now, whenever three letters are used to reference an angle, the angle itself is always at the letter in the middle. Or the vertex is always at the letter in the middle. So this is angle ABC. And since this is angle ABC, I know that the vertex is at what? B. I could also write it like this. This is a symbol for angle. So this is angle ABC. Or I could write it like this. Again, this is angle what? ABC. Notice this little thing over the B, showing that the what? The vertex is at B. Or I could simply call it what? Angle what? B. Or I could say that this is the angle what? Theta. Now, theta is a Greek letter. And Greek letters are often used to reference angles, are often used to represent angles. So, let's talk about the size or magnitude of an angle. The size or magnitude of an angle is a measure of the amount of circular opening between the two straight lines. So we have two straight lines what? Two straight lines what meet? Two straight lines meet. Where the two straight lines meet is the what? Vertex. Now, the amount of opening, the size or the amount of opening between the two straight lines is called what? The size or what? Magnitude of the angle. So, fine. So, if the two straight lines meet and they lie down exactly on each other, more than likely the size or magnitude is going to be what? 0. Because there's no opening between the two straight lines, don't it? Yes. So the size will be what? 0. Or the magnitude of the angle will be 0. As you open it now, the size what is increasing, don't it? Yes, fine. Let's talk about the difference. So the size or magnitude of an angle is measured in what? Degrees. Alright? And the symbol for that is like you write the letter, write the number, and then there's a little what? 0 or O above it. That's a symbol for degrees. So the size or magnitude of an angle is measured in degrees. Let's talk about different types of angle. Now, essentially an angle is classified by the amount of opening between the what? An angle is classified according to its size. An angle essentially is classified according to its size. Now, so let's say this is an angle. I have two straight lines meeting at a point. The point where the two straight lines meet is called a what? Vertex. Talk to me? Vertex. So, this now angle is called an acute angle. Alright? So, I start out with my two straight lines lying down on each other. Then I start to what? Open. Now, an acute angle, put in the word angle. Alright. Now an acute angle measures less than what? 90 degrees. Alright, so this angle measures less than what? 90 degrees. Alright, so what does 90 degree look like? Alright, now when the two straight lines meet and form like an L, the two straight lines meet and form this L, now we say that this angle is what type of angle?
Right angle.
Right angle. Now the right angle measures exactly what? 90 degrees. The right angle measures exactly 90 degrees. Alright, so now this is 90 degrees, so we have an appreciation of 90 degrees. We know that if it is what? So let's say the thing is opening. It's opening. If it's somewhere around here, this is less than 90, don't it?
Yes.
Let me know?
Yes.
It's opening. So this would be what? Acute. When it opens fully until the two lines form what? L, we say that the thing measures exactly what?
90.
An angle that measures exactly 90 degrees is called a what type of angle?
Right angle.
A right angle. Alright, let's take this out of this. Now, let's talk about the obtuse angle. The obtuse angle measures what?
Less than 90.
Sorry, it measures what? More than what? 90. Now you notice that L would be right here, don't it?
Yeah.
It gone beyond the L. It's opening and it gone now beyond the L. So now it measures what? More than what? 90, but less than what? 180. One would assume that 180 will be 290, don't it? Fine. Now that brings us to the what?
Straight angle.
Now the straight angles measures exactly what?
180.
180. If I did this, what would you see? Suppose I did that.
Right angle.
This one would be what? 90, don't it?
Yes.
And this one would be what?
90.
90. Making it a total of what?
180.
180. The straight angle measures exactly what? 180 degrees. Then we have the what?
Reflex angle.
Now the reflex angle measures what? More than what? 180, but less than 360. So if I have what? A line connecting here to here, from here coming around to here would be what? 180. So this is what? More than 180, but less than what? 360. 360 would be a complete what? Revolution. 360 would be a complete revolution. Meaning it starts here and go all the way back around and come back on it. That angle that it sweeps through would be what? 360 degrees. 1 and 2. So the straight angle is how much right angle? The straight angle is how much right angle? So a revolution will be how many right angles? 4. A revolution is what? 360 degrees, which is 4 right angles. Alright, right, that's off.